All right, guys, I'm out here with my boy Romeoville IL with 6/15/21.
What's up, y'all? What's up? Fish Addict TV. Brought him to the juice. First cast.
First cast, top water, baby.
Water.
So,
2 o'clock in the afternoon.
tell the people the significance of 6/15/21, bro.
6/15/21, which was last year, yesterday. First day I ever caught a bass. 50 years old, caught my first bass, and it's been on since then.
Yes, sir.
So that's the significance of the name of my channel, 6/15/21. June 15, 2021. That's when it all started. We just beginning.
And
Static TV, my man is here from Missouri. We out here. Little local subdivision pond. We went to one earlier. 5 minutes later, we come back. He throw the top water in. Boom. Smashed it.
Smashed him.
Smashed it.
Smashed him. Hey, I wasn't recording though, man. But listen, man, this gonna be the first of many collaborations with my brother.
Yes, sir.
You know, me and this brother go way back, 30 plus years. Me and this brother was playing basketball together. Well, he slapped at it, boy, hard.
What kind of top water? What kind of bait is that?
I forget who this by, but it's a walking bait, just a top water walking plug.
It's closed. Or is it cut in the front?
It's closed. Got him. Got him. Got him. Top water, baby. Top water. Top water. Ooh, he a nice one too. Yeah, buddy. Look at that there. Hold on, fella.
Yeah, my man caught him a nice one.
Hold on. Hold on.
We just got over here. I just caught one, now he back.
Damn.
He on his head.
You got pliers?
Yeah, I got some.
Look at that. He was caught up. Top water action, baby. Top water action. Hold on, buddy. I don't know how you got all. Shit.
Here you go. All up in his chin.
Yes, sir.
Pre-spawn too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fatty McFatty.
Look at that.
Yeah. Fish Addict TV, y'all. 6/15/21.
6/15/21 Fish Addict TV.
Peace.
Make sure y'all follow.
Yeah, it is.
Subscribe, like,
Share, comment.
share, comment. Now for the release. There you go, y'all. There you go. Yeah, got another one, baby. Got another one. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. Ah. Right back over there. Got another one, baby. Yeah. I got him. Yeah, come on. Uh-huh. Oh! Woo! Hey, that was a monster too, man. Oh my God. You know what? I horsed him. Yeah. I should have let him, I should have just played him. Got another one. Got one here, baby, though. Ah. Man, that's 3 in a row that just came off. Yeah, that's the top water. Oh my God, man.